Hey there! Looking to add some music to your Canva design? Let's get started. First things first, open up the design where you want to add some tunes. Then, take a look at the left side menu and click on Uploads. Once you're in the Upload File section, go ahead and click on Audio. This is where you can upload any of your audio files. You have the option to upload new audio files directly from your computer, or you can choose from the ones you've already uploaded. Now, you don't have to add this music automatically to your design. Instead, you can explore the Apps section to craft something unique. Consider creating your very own AI music using the AI Music app. Within the AI Music app, you can select various styles and modes. By fine-tuning the parameters and setting the duration, you'll be able to compose your own AI-generated music, and once you're done, it gets automatically added to your design. Thanks a ton for tuning in. Happy designing with music!